A man whose eye height is 1.6 meters is d meters from the base of a building. So he is this distance here from the base of a building, 500 meters high. So this building is 500 meters high. He looks at the top and measures the angle of elevation to be 70 degrees. He then moves back x meters and measures the angle of elevation to be 50. Calculate this value of x here. Okay, so this is a typical sort of trigonometry problem. So if we draw out this triangle here first of all, so the angle is 70, angle elevation. This is d meters. This distance, though, here is not 500. It will be 500 minus the 1.6 is eye height, which gives me 498.4 meters. Right, if we label the sides, that's adjacent if we've got this angle here because it's next to the angle. This side is opposite to the angle. Using SOHCAHTOA, and we've got angle opposite adjacent, so it's going to be TOA. And therefore tan theta is going to be opposite over adjacent. Therefore tan of 70 is 498.4 divided by the adjacent side, which is d. Now to make d the subject, you take d up here and take the tan 70 down here. So d will be 498.4 divided by tan 70. Now on your calculator, use the fraction button. Make sure your calculator is in degrees and then put this in the numerator, this in the denominator, and you'll get an answer 181.402 meters. Now we don't need to round this off, but we will need this in the second part, because in order to calculate x, we will calculate this length given from this triangle, the bigger triangle here, and we will take away d from it. So, repeating the process, drawing out the bigger triangle. So this is 50. This side is x plus d. This is going to be 498.4 meters. Remember, we took away 1.6 from his height of his eye. Again, opposite, adjacent. Again, we will use tan is opposite over adjacent. So tan of 50 is 498.4 divided by x plus d. So rearranging that, treating that as one thing, that will come up here and this will come down here. So we get x plus d is 489.4 divided by tan 50, which will give me 418.207. So we want to find x, so x will be this distance here, which is 418, minus the value of d that we calculated in the first part of the question. So x will be 418.207 minus my value of d, which was 181.402, and that will give me an answer of 238.805. That 8 will make that 6 or 7, so the final answer will be 237 meters to 3 significant figures. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to use a little bit of trigonometry in order to calculate the distance a person moves back whilst looking at a building. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.